Gotta have my Gatorade. I guess it's called Hub Hobby, you know, check it out, you know. About to get our rip on. That's a dope meat, huh? But yeah, we're gonna see how this race goes. How you doing, guys? Alright. I'm looking for the tiny whoop race or something.
Yeah, just around the corner.
Okay, thank you.
Dave?
Oh, I'm Rob.
Rob, Dana's friend.
Better known as Twin City Flyer.
Oh, man.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, Chris?
Nice to meet you.
Bruce.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Twin City Flyer, nice to meet you.
Yeah, Dave, I'm subscribed to you.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, appreciate it.
Yo, nowadays people think they know my game just because they follow me up on the gram like the CIA. Ridiculous, insane. Peak game and then make assumptions on your whole life like they know you. First off, I was born in October 10/20/1992. Black mother gave birth to a soldier in a jack world full of poachers, eating up the culture like vultures. Dark night living in a world full of jokers. Counterfeit friendships forced me to lead a life of a loner. Real recognize real, but I come across a whole lot of posers. Mediocre music getting promoted. What the fuck I gotta do to get exposure? Maybe good luck, I got Irish on my blood, but I'd rather sit and roll me up a 4-leaf clover. Smoke it, get me high like supernova. Astrophysical media showers of lyrical visuals. Asteroid present on my mind, my gamma 11s. I gotta stay fresh. Cross the threshold, took one step straight into the valley of death. Drugs, rock and roll sex. Drugs, rock and roll sex. No rest on the road, one city to the next. Got an X in Freiburg and an X in Paris. 2 years of both, I never met their parents. I told them I wasn't the average guy, and at this point in my life I wanted to live it like I'm Bob Marley. Mentally dead when I'm with them, but when I'm away I'm emotionally parted. Didn't mean to break your heart, so I'm sorry. Seriously, for a minute I was guilt-ridden, cause I didn't want nobody looking at me like I'm heartless. But I said fuck that, word of Tupac, I'm a G to the day I'm gone. Disregardless, flying and spinning in orbital, switch 40 like Henry Carlo. That's how I be, dog. Casabunde gonna be inspired by this black tenor hole. I'm a one-man wrecking crew, fucking armada. Slaughter, that's words of my unborn son and my daughter. Aging a metal, black Tony Soprano. Wife is a brown skin corn. Pray to God every single day I'm on this earth that I put on for the fan. Put that food on the table. Swear that I'm ready, God willing and able. Capable, unbreakable, I'm sacred. Catch me, fallen angel, inspirational. Let us see that anything's attainable. Everything but your soul's irreplaceable. Don't never let nobody try to take it. We're made from the stars, living G-O-D-S. Killing negativity cause you don't need stress. Cold sweats in a dark room, days pass now. Warrior mentality, just fight another back down. Focus, watch the pain fade to the background. Every single thing you lost coming back now. Everyone that left you hanging coming back round. Let them keep chasing, have them running laps now. Back in the days it was run for what's won, but for what's done, won the race. Now sun, I'm shining and blinding them. Casting my light on the darkness will not be defined by my hardship. Timber will never be scared.